So one more time, it is Saturday, November 4th, 2023. The presentation, activities, and exercises. What objective? Yes. Interestingly, practicing special words. Yes, this is very interesting, my dear students. Let's read this objective. My dear Carla Melena, are you there? Okay, no response. Possibly technical issues. So let me ask Yair, Rodrigo Yair, are you over there?
Yes, teacher.
Good morning, my dear Rodrigo Yair. How are you today?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Very well, my dear Rodrigo Yair. And thank you for being here working with us. My dear Rodrigo Yair, can you read this objective, please?
Yes. Objective. To use some words and phrase to express quantities and amounts of different things.
Thank you, my dear Rodrigo Yair. Let me circle, my dear students, some words or phrases to express quantities and numbers. Although we can't say precisely those. I mean, we don't mention quantities or numbers. With those special words or phrases, we may imagine those quantities or numbers. Now, our website, that it's the platform. Unit 4, my dear students, with this title, Quantities. And content, topic number 2. Yes, with the title Quantifiers. Yes, they are special ideas to work with. We access again quantifiers. And we can refresh countable and uncountable nouns. But what countable nouns are? Here you have a paragraph with information about them. My dear Betsira, can you hear me? Nope. Okay. Huh? My dear Rodrigo Goya, are you over there?
Yes,
Good morning, my dear Rodrigo. A
good-
favor, would you read this paragraph, please?
yes. Countable nouns. Remember that countable nouns are those which can be counted and separated per unit such as tomato, egg, tire, glove, a slice of cake, a car, coins or bills, etc. We
Etc.
can
Good.
count samples, piece of bread, a slice of pizza, bottles of water, liters of gasoline, etc. And this noun may be singular or plural, tomato, tomatoes, egg, eggs, etc.
Thank you, my dear Rodrigo. Good speaking skills. Yes. Mhm. So, when we say countable nouns, my dear students, you can express one, two, three, four, and go on, right? And another aspect, these words can be used in plural, yes, with the corresponding form to say that they are more than one. Mhm. Countable nouns. Now, the other group to highlight this information. The second group, uncountable nouns. Yes. My dear Raul Acevedo, are you over there?
Yes, teacher.
Good morning, my dear Raul.
Hi, good morning.
Thanks for being working with us today. A favor, may you read out paragraph about uncountable nouns?
Yes, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those who can't be separated and must be counted as large or small. In this category, we include liquids, grains, energy, and feelings, such as fruit, milk, gasoline, cool bread, love, money, etc. These nouns are only singular.
Thank you, my dear Raul. Very good performance. So, uh, uncountable nouns. Mhm. With big or small quantities. Yes. And particularly, these words are singular. Yes. On the other hand, countable nouns can be in plural. Okay. Let's keep in our minds that information. Countable nouns can be in plural. Uncountable nouns can't be in plural. We mention special words. Yes, quantifiers. Mhm. A group of terms or phrases with special functions. Mhm. There are 3 points. The first, large quantities. Okay, and information below. Mhm. Let's read it. Sorry, my dear students. So, large quantities. There is a table and some content to read. My dear Jimena, can you hear me? Jimena Garcia? Okay. My dear Alondra Hernandez, are you over there?
Yes, teacher.
Hello, my dear Alo. Okay. A favor. May you read the first and second line and then the paragraph?
Yes. You can use different quantifiers.
Quantifiers.
¿Cómo?
Quantifiers.
Quantifiers to talk about large or small quires of countable and uncountable nodes. Look at the flower chats. We use the flower. ¿Me repite cómo se pronuncia, por favor?
Following quantifiers.
Okay, flower quantifiers when we want to talk about a large or big number of nodes. They are different depending on nodes. After that, we use different quantifiers when we use a countable on nodes, uncountable nodes, and sometimes we can use a specific um, quantifiers can both can with both uh, countables or uncountables nodes.
Thank you, my dear Alo. Very good. Yes. And these words with large quantities or big quantities, we have this, the first, many. Many is to practice with countable nouns. Remember, countable nouns can be objects, things, activities, etc. They are nouns. Much, M-U-C-H, uncountable nouns, exclusively, any, in both cases, with countable and uncountable. Okay. And it's missing this idea. Lots of or a lot of. They represent a big quantity, but we don't mention a number. Yes, it's not a good idea only with this reference. So here we can say large quantities. It is a lot of or lots of. Same meaning, my dear students. Same meaning. A lot of, lots of. Positive meaning. Positive meaning. And with the first and the second group. With countable and uncountable. Right? That is a lot of or lots of. Yep. My dear students, Are there any questions, sorry, or comments?
No, teacher.
Okay. We are moving on. So now, what is in the opposite group, my dear students? Yes. This is large. What is the opposite? Small. Small quantities. Mhm. Again, with large or small quantities. Different words. Valerie, Melissa, are you there? Nope. Okay. My friend Oscar Posas, are you there? Some technical issues, I'm sure. My dear Pao Gonzalez, can you hear me? No? Okay. So, my dear Elizabeth Cruz, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Good morning, my dear Elizabeth.
Good morning, teacher.
May you read this paragraph, please?
Yes. We use the following quantifiers when we want to talk about a small number of nouns. They are different depending on the noun. Observe that we use different quantifiers when we use a countable or uncountable noun, and sometimes we can use a specific quantifier with both countable or uncountable nouns.
Thank you, my dear Ellie. That's right. So, in the previous group, big quantities. This is our second group, small quantities. Spatial differences. My dear Ellie, in this case, we have a few, a little, and some. Observe. A little, some. With the correct category, uncountable or countable. Yes, some is in both. Okay? Yes. Ellie, can you continue reading these sentences, please?
Yes. My brother ate a few carrots and he drank a little tea. Or, my brother ate some carrots and drank some tea. There were few people at the concert, so the band only collected little money for the dog shelter.
Keep
A
going.
few, yes,
Yes.
a few and few are a little different in meaning. A few means a small quantity of a countable noun but few, as the complete implication of insufficiency. The same happens with a little and little. A little is just a small quantity of an uncountable noun while little implies the small quantity is insufficient.
Very good, my dear Ellie. Just let's repeat. It says a small quantity. Can you repeat it?
Yes, a small quantity.
Yes. Thank you, my dear Ellie. That's right. Mhm. With small quantities, a few has positive meaning. What says, my dear students, that our idea is good. And when we say few is a little bit negative or negative. Mhm. Importantly, the sentences are in positive sense. Mhm. So remember, with a few or a little, we can have the point especially. Yep. Mhm. So keep in mind, a few has small quantity, of course, and few is small quantity too, but with negative message, right? Mhm. Let me tell you, for example, today it's a very good number of students participating. So it's positive. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Now, are there any comments or observations, my dear students?
No.
Nope. Great. Mhm. Now, so more quantities, but now we say simply in the message 0. It's the third. Mhm. How to say 0 of something with no number included. Yes, there are special words too. My dear Daniel Alor, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Good morning, my dear Daniel.
Good morning.
Could you read the paragraph and the sentences below, please?
Yes. We use the following quantifiers when we want to say that there is zero existence of given object. They are different quantifiers depending on the noun. Observe how in zero numbers we use these quantifiers with countable and uncountable nouns depending on the type of sentence you're using, whether it is affirmative, negative, or a question. Um, there aren't any large trees in the desert. We express zero quantity with any in negative sentences. A few and few are a little different in meaning. A few means a small quantity of countable noun, but few as into implication of insufficiency. The same happens with a little and little. A little is just a small quantity of an uncountable noun, while little implies a small quantity if insufficient.
Thank you very much, my dear Daniel Alor. Good. Good speaking skills. Yes. Uh-huh. Understandable ideas. Very nice. Okay, my dear students. Practicing negatively the action mhm, plus any with countable and uncountable things. It means simply, my dear students, simply 0. Yes, 0. Okay. Remember, negative action, because we can have different verbs. In this case, negatively. And any, immediately, indicating the type of noun, countable or uncountable, with any. Yes? There are two more using no or none. Yes. How to do it? Let me think in this case. Okay. One sentence, I say. The person is Charlie. Okay? Charlie. But Charlie has a problem. Problem, well, it's the same situation that I have. Okay? But not literally. Charlie, negative structure, and the verb in negative form doesn't have any money. It means 0. No money in Charlie's pocket. Yeah? You are negative verb, any that represents 0, and my noun, that it's money. Using any, my dear students, is 0. Simply 0. Okay? Now, using no, because it's very special. The same idea. It is Charlie again. But in this case, my verb is positively. And the word no. Okay. Let's observe the difference, my dear students, with any and no. Charlie, that is the person here. But the verb is not negatively, it's positive. Check it. Has. And I need one word to say 0. Simply no. Charlie has no what? Money. Yes. In this case, positive action. In front, the word no simply represents 0 too. When we use any, the verb is negatively. When you practice no, the verb is positively. Okay? And it's the same meaning. This sentence with the second sentence. Exactly the same. No money. Do you have any comment, my dear students? All right. I know Because this group of students, smart, very smart students. Okie dokie. Well, eliminating notes and moment to practice. Give me a sec. Remember, my dear students, when you have a question about the content, the platform, you may send a message. Okay? Yeah. So rapidly, I will try to answer. Yes, rapidly. Okay, my dear students, refreshing. Some nouns. Remember, nouns are objects. They are things. My friend, Evaristo, can you hear me? My dear Evaristo, what are these in the picture?
It's a fruit, banana.
Singular or plural?
Plural, maybe.
Yes.
Are bananas.
Very good. Can you tell me, this is countable or uncountable, my dear Evaristo?
Countable. Are for
Count.
bananas.
Okay. Countable. Very good. Now, what's this, my dear Evaristo?
It's a beef.
Very good. In general, we can say you are right. It's beef, meat. In the first group or the second group, my dear Evaristo?
First group.
Okay. Can we say, in general, can we say this expression? Or simply, my dear Evaristo, we can say only?
Meat.
Yes. In general, this noun is only meat. And we can write it in plural. So it means, my dear Evaristo, that this is countable or uncountable.
Uncountable.
Yes, my dear Evaristo. In general, meat is uncountable. Let's verify it. Right. Another good thing, my dear Evaristo. What can you see?
Ball. with rice.
Aha. Bravo, my dear Everest. A bowl with rice. But focus on rice. Rice is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Perfectly. Yes. Mhm. One more, my dear Everest. What is this?
Orange.
Aha. First or second group?
First group.
Amazing. Another. What can you see?
An apple.
Countable or not?
Countable.
Yay, nicely. Now, what's this, my dear Evaristo?
Oil.
Yes. Uh-huh. Can we pluralize oil?
No.
Uh-huh. So it means that is countable or uncountable.
Uncountable.
Bravo, my dear. Finally. Uh-huh. This is money. Countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Co-
Okay. Can we say one money, two monies, three monies? Aha. Let's clarify a little bit, my dear students. Money is in general. In Spanish, we may say it in plural, but in English, only money. It's not possible to say monies. Mhm. We may say bills. Yes, that's right. But this is a subcategory. Money in general, and there are some objects. Coins. Mhm, mhm. They are made of metal. Commonly, coins. We can say one, two, three, four, five. Yes, acceptable. Bills. They are made of paper, and you can have one, two, three, four, five. Right. But money, mhm, simply money, we can't express one money, two monies. That's not acceptable in English. Mhm. So, my dear students, money, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable, no?
Yes, that's right. Uncountable. Mhm. Is clear my idea, my dear students, between money, bills, and coins?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Uncountable. That's good. Mhm. Well done. Mhm. All right. Now, we have another set of sentences. Give me a sec. Here we go. Now, we said that we need to observe the object when my object is singular or plural. Here you are. Plural. Okay. It's interrogative, my dear students. My dear fair veranda, are you there?
Miranda o Baranda?
My dear Miranda.
Okay.
Thank you. You are a volunteer. Okay. My dear Miranda, here you are. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. It's interrogative. Using how? Okay. What is the best option, my dear Miranda? The first, the second, the third, or number 4? It's money. Money is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Okay. Can we use
Is much?
can you read the question and the answer?
Is how it is? It's 10 euros.
Can you include the word? How?
How much is this? It's 10 euros.
Yes, 10 euros. Great, my dear Miranda. Good practice. So, Miranda says, much. That's great. Number 2. Question and answer. Observe the quantity or number of things. Okay. Yes. You have different boxes. Different boxes. Be attentive. My friend Diane Garcia, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Diane, read and complete, please.
Do you have any cereal sort there is mm,
In your perspective, it is many or a lot?
podría ser many?
Okay. Could be many. Yes. Let's check it. Oh, well, in my opinion, my particular opinion, my dear Diane, it's a lot because we have
Yeah, okay.
boxes, but many is your perspective. For you, many that I consider correct. So, good practice, my Diane. Good practice. Diane, this one again. Observe the picture
Yes.
and tell me. Can you read it?
He's very bossy. He has work to do.
Observe the person. Yes? Just let's repeat, my dear. He is very busy.
He's very busy.
He has. Do you consider some or a lot of work?
A lot of.
A lot of? Okay. I think that you're right. Let me see. Yes, and it's correct. Only, yeah, I included an extra A. It is a lot of work. A lot of work. Huh? It's a question. Yes? Okay, my dear. Can you complete it, my dear Diane?
Yeah, do you? Mm, my
By?
by.
It's interrogative. It's in plural. When it's in plural, it can be countable. So, a little, not possible because it's with, sorry, I made a mistake. We can use many with countable. A lot is incomplete because we need a lot of. So,
Entonces sería, do you buy many candies? Muchos dulces.
let's see. Great. So, thank you very much, my dear. One more, my dear Dayan. One more, please. Can you?
Yes. Do you hit apples?
Observe. 1, 2. Okay, we don't say the number. So, little, uncountable. A little, too. Much, uncountable. What is the option?
Much?
Much is uncountable.
Apples. Many?
Can you reread the question?
Do you hit many apples?
Eat. Do you eat?
Comer.
Yay! Very good, my little Jack. Okay. So now it's interrogative. It's about your preference. Okay. In your preference, my dear students, okay, there are different opinions. Okay. So, my dear Erica Ortiz, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
My dear Ari, it's an opinion. Can you complete this question?
Is how do you like school? Sería how much? No,
Yes, it is how much.
much.
My dear Ari, next one.
I don't eat cheese. Many
Cheese. It's
cheese.
uncountable.
Countable. Much.
Let's see. Yay! It's negative meaning. One more, my dear Ari.
Okay. She gets angry quickly. She
Quickly.
doesn't quickly. She doesn't have pat patience.
Patience.
Patience. Okay. Sería um, money.
But patience. Can we say patiences? It's only,
Patience.
yes, it's only in singular. So observe the person gets angry quickly. So it is negative.
Much. Okay.
Yes. Very nice. One more, my dear Ari. One more.
Okay. How many football matches do you watch on TV a week? I watch football matches.
It's
Watch.
positive. Okay.
Match sería much.
Much. Okay. But matches is countable. It's plural. So there are two options I consider correct.
Many?
Let's see.
Okay.
It's correct. Many or a lot of.
Okay.
That's great. Finally, my dear Ari, it's negative.
Okay.
Can you?
Sí. And we don't have fridges.
Yes. It means zero.
Okay. Any?
The teacher. I made a mistake, not you,
Okay.
my dear Ari. The problem was me because I forgot the picture. I forgot the picture, the quantity. Okay, yes, because if we observe this one, is a small quantity. And with a small quantity, we can say much. Because any represents zero. Okay? Okie dokie, my dear students. Unfortunately, our time's up. Unfortunately. Okay? But remember, you may practice on platform activities related to countable, uncountable nouns. Of course, quantifiers. Yes, quantifiers to express large, small, or zero quantities. Okay? So, again, my dear students, include your group and full name in the chat box. For today, time's up, my dear students. We finished. Thank you very much. See you next time. Okay? Please include your group and full name in the chat box. Okay?
See you, teacher.
Take care, my dear students.
Thank you,
Excellent
teacher.
Saturday. You're welcome.
See you, teacher.
You're welcome, my dear barista. Thanks. Here.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Take care. Bye-bye.